Captain Chirp, Captain Tweet, and Captain Squawk of the spaceship Yellowbird are exploring the deepest, darkest depths of space.
Boring! There's nothing out there, just dark.
He's right, Captain. Just space.
Told you. Boring.
We'll just have to explore somewhere else. Captains, turn on the super hyperspeed thrust rocket firers!
On it, Captain! Preparing to turn on the super hyperspeed thrust rocket firers!
Wait! Before we turn on the super hyperspeed thrust rocket firers, I kind of need a snack.
Beep, bop, bop, boop. There's no time, Squawk. I've already started the countdown. See? 30, 29.
There's always time for snacks.
Buckle. Do my drum. Come on, PJ Masks, to the cactus. Up, everyone! This ride could be dangerous.
25, 24, 23.
Dangerous? Who said anything about dangerous?
Squawk, we're about to use the super hyperspeed thrust rocket firers to travel faster than any space traveler has ever traveled before.
How fast?
17, 16,